Welcome back to Travis's Kitchen. Today we're going to make cinnamon roll monkey bread. So first we're going to cut. We have 2 cans of cinnamon rolls, and we're going to cut the cinnamon roll in half, in fourths. Then we're going to roll it into a ball. Then toss it into the cinnamon sugar. Then get it coated on the cinnamon. Then we're going to put it in our bundt pan. For the next step, we're going to combine 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar and stick it in melted butter. Now we're going to stir it up. Now we're going to pour it over the monkey bread. Now we're going to bake it in a 400-degree oven for 20 minutes. So now our monkey bread is ready. Now we're going to take it out of the oven. And we're going to let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes. So now our monkey bread is ready. We're going to put a plate on top of the monkey bread. Then you can flip it however you want. So then we flip it. Then try to get all the monkey bread out. Now we're going to put the icing on the monkey bread. So now our monkey bread is ready. Time to taste it. It tastes good. If you try this recipe, tell me what you think. Bye.